Unit 8A Study Guide, number 16 and 17. We're going to factor and find the solutions to that quadratic equation, x squared plus 8x plus 7. So when you're factoring, the first term, or the first thing is to look at how many terms you have. If you have 3 terms, then you're going to use the star method. So first of all, identify A, B, and C in your quadratic equation. So A is 1, B is 8, and C is 7. Draw your star to organize your numbers so you can find the factors. A times C, 1 times 7 is 7, and we place that in the upper middle. Your B value is 8, we place that in the lower middle. And then in the upper left and upper right, we place the A value, which is 1, and then just a single variable that's used in the problem. So in this case, it's x. Now, using our top and our bottom middle number, we ask ourselves the question, what 2 numbers can I multiply that'll give me 7 and add to give me 8? So if we think of factors of 7, 1 and 7 will work for us. So those factors are placed here. Now our organizer tells us what our factors are, so we can write them in our 2 sets of parentheses. So this will factor as x plus 1 times x plus 7, and we set those factors equal to 0. Then to solve, we set each separate factor equal to 0 and solve. So I'll subtract 1. My first answer is that x equals -1, and then subtract 7, x equals -7. So we factored, which is this step, and then found solutions to that quadratic equation. Number 17 asks the question, what must be done first before factoring and solving this problem? We'll notice that this is not in our standard form for a quadratic, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure that your equation is set equal to 0. So you can do that by subtracting 4, and you'll get x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Identify your a, b, and c. So A is 1, B is 3, and C is -4. Draw your star, 2 numbers that will multiply together to give you -4 and add to give you +3. So if we think of factors of 4, 1 and 4, we can combine to get +3. We need a negative in there, though, so when we multiply, we get -4. So let's try the 1 as a negative. That will work. When you multiply -1 times 4, you get -4, and if you add those, you get +3. So we'll place our a values and a single variable here, and then write our factors. X minus 1 times x plus 4 equals 0. Now let's set them both equal to 0 and solve. Add 1 to both sides and then subtract 4.